Happy Monday, everybody. Usually my videos are not anything regarding what we're about to talk about, but I felt it needed to be brought up. I'm speaking about the drone activity all over New Jersey. Now, I live in New Jersey. I live in Essex County, which is kind of central. And I've yet to see a drone, but I've heard of many, many reports that there are out there. So, people are talking about, or questioning where they're coming from, who's responsible, who's operating them, that kind of thing, right? And there are so many theories. So here's mine. I'm looking at the drones and I'm saying, well, they have flashing navigation lights, which tells me it's human. They have mechanical propellers, which tells me it's human, because, if it's an alien, then it's probably not going to use propellers. Ancient technology. There was something else. They seem to be imperfect in the way that they're flown, meaning, they're in triangles or they're in a line, and it appears that they drift, which again tells me that it's probably being operated by humans. So what does that mean? It's not an alien, or maybe it is, and they're just cloaking. I know I'm reaching. So let's assume it's human. My concern is twofold. One, that our government's doing nothing about it. If you flew a private plane, a Cessna, anywhere in this country, and you're not supposed to be there, especially after 9/11, you're coming down, right? So why? What is it that a drone can do that a satellite can't? Because a satellite can see the hair on the butt of a rhino in the Serengeti from however many miles up. So what I think it's a setup for EMP attacks. Think about it. You've got these drones everywhere over certain areas that are, sensitive. I don't know why I said that. I had something in my tooth. But in sensitive areas, a satellite's not going to deliver an EMP attack. You have all these drones. They have some mechanism to release an EMP attack, and they're going to be like, for lack of a better term, kamikazes in the Second World War. They're going to destroy themselves when they release the EMP attack. I'll be curious to see tonight, if this rain keeps up, whether or not they're flying. Let's just add that to the calculation. But either way, this is freaking weird, and it sucks that we live in a world where we have to actually think about this. I'm not going to blame a president. I'm not going to blame, look, the bottom line is we live in a very broken world, and there has been such a huge push towards power here, and this is where we are. So the way that I'm getting through it, the way that I deal with everything, I know that the Lord is in control of everything. I know the Lord's got me, got my family, and nothing can happen to me here that I can't deal with, because the bottom line is I know where my home is. So don't be alarmed. I mean, yeah, if you're freaking out. It's normal, but just try to be still. Jesus is in control. He loves you. He has loved you since the moment you were knit in your mother's womb. He cares for you. God the Father is the greatest father ever. He's Abba. He's Daddy. And trust me, in my 55 years, there's been not many years that it's been easy, right? And those are personal decisions that I made and I've paid for. But I know that I have a Father who loves me and wants the best for me. And one day I'll be home with him. Until then, keep looking up. Not at drones. Look up. Love ya.